The refueling technique. Fill up on language before you start writing by reading a page or two of inspiring literature. Everyday words that say something extraordinary, sentences that make the text breathe, language with spirit, soul and strength, chosen with love and care, is what really inspires. Ian McEwan, if you wish. Allow yourself to be infected and inspired before you write. You've yawned over official statements, split hairs with legal terminology, waded in swamps of advertising jargon, and rushed through your colleagues' scribbles. The language from these sources will ooze from your pen and seep into your keys if you start writing your text right after researching. Instead, go for a stroll with Ian McEwan first, so that you can write with appreciation and all of your senses. Why does the language of the text you've just read echo in your own writing? A great deal of child language acquisition occurs through imitation. We acquire language and later foreign languages partly by repeating what we see and hear. Simply put, the brain absorbs language and reproduces it. This preconscious learning by imitation is never completely lost and can't be turned off, but it can be exploited productively.